Sunny disagreements and the bickering and the malice involving Jamaican sports stars continue. I can't believe that Jamaican sprinter Johan Blake had not spoken to his one-time chargey and training partner Usain Bolt from that little fool overshadow argument. I know.
No, I haven't reached out to him. I know me and Bolt has been coming a very far way, and we're very good friends up to that point. But if you're running 9.69 and somebody's running 9.58, obviously we're going to look at the 9.58. We haven't spoken. Now is a difficult time, and I hope one day we can all have a drink and talk about this and look at it as a silly way, But for now, no.
What wrong with the man them? And to think that Blake was actually right, 9.58 will overshadow 9.69 every day of the week and twice on Sundays. What the disrespect, that? Feelings are linger. How much months I go towards a year now? Not even a phone call? No, sir. The man them need to cut out the foolishness. Yeah, brother. From now, all Jamaican sportsmen and women, if you don't want somebody to vex with, we'll vex with them after. Yes. Because me not gonna vex back. Yes. So you vex with me. Yes. Me I'm going to stop the bad living over foolishness. Yes. Life too short for that. Cinema Africa, you vex with me. Yes. Vex with me. Yes, that's cool. That's cool. Vex with me. Vex with me. Yes, that's cool, man. Me not vex.